Hi everyone, this is Unwana again. It's been a while since I posted a video. I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I just hope everyone's doing fine as we're presently going through this health crisis. I just hope everyone's doing fine. You're taking all your precautions to make sure that you're keeping yourself safe. So the reason why I'm just shooting this quick video is just a follow-up to a video I made back in November of 2019, where I was reviewing the Partner with Anthony program. It's been a few months now, and that particular video that I made, I just want to thank everyone that liked it and also took action to start their own business. So right now, presently, we're going through this health crisis with over 30 million people have lost their jobs. And for those that have their jobs, there's still uncertainty out there. We have massive amounts of people can't pay their mortgages. We have massive amounts of people that can't pay rents. So now we're potentially faced with foreclosures in the future. There's so much turmoil, there's so much uncertainty, and that goes to show you that our system as it stands, is flawed. And which is why I said in my previous video, like, you have to have multiple sources of income, okay? And you cannot rely on just one source of income. And this health crisis is showing us right now that we definitely need different sources of income. Otherwise, be in the same predicament. So my advice to you is, if you're looking to start a business right now, okay, to supplement your full-time income, the best opportunity you have right now is to get online. We all have smartphones, we all have laptops, we all have some form of smart device that you can use to access the internet. What better time is there to use the internet, okay, to start a business, to generate, extra income on the side? I mean, if you look on YouTube today, there are so many opportunities out there, so many influencers out there, so many, blogs and people sharing their everyday life and what's going on in their lives. So that's one of the things that actually got me interested in starting my own business and also starting a business online. I used to own a traditional business. I used to own a franchise, like I said in my previous videos. And having a franchise entails investing a lot of money. And a complaint or feedback I got from people from my previous video on the Partner with Anthony program was, well, there are upsells and there are things that you need to buy. Let me tell you something. If you were buying a McDonald's franchise today, and McDonald's tells you you need to buy these, the shake machine, the fryers, the headphones for your drive-through system, would you argue with McDonald's and tell them, well, why am I spending money on buying equipment? Same thing with your online business. You need basic tools that will help you scale your business. And with the Partner with Anthony program, you don't need that much tools, okay? You don't have to buy the upsells. All you need is just the basic things that you need. Number one, you're gonna need an autoresponder system. Every single business out there should be collecting leads, okay? So you need to have a system for collecting people's information data for your customers and prospects. So you definitely need to have an autoresponder system. So that's one tool that you need to subscribe to. Okay, and you can use any autoresponder system out there. Okay, Partner with Anthony program is not, enforcing that you need to use a particular system or they're trying to sell you on something. You can use whatever system you want. Okay. Number two, you need to have some form of website or squeeze page where you can offer people information and also get their data, get their information, so you can follow up with them. All right. So when people complain, oh, I have to spend so much money on tools, but those are tools for your business. You're building a business. If you were buying, for instance, like I said, a McDonald's franchise or a Subway franchise, which I used to own a Subway franchise, I was a franchisee for many years, okay? I invested hundreds of thousands of dollars in my business. So I don't see why, people are complaining about starting an online business, such as the Partner with Anthony program, that I think is very valuable. Okay, it teaches you the basic things that you can do to be able to generate, some form of income online. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight, but the Partner with Anthony program has a step-by-step it's a step-by-step program that actually teaches you some basic skills on how to become an affiliate and then be able to scale your business after learning the tools and the skills that you need to become a successful affiliate online. It takes time. Everything takes time. The problem we have today is most people turn on the TV or they go on YouTube or they go online and they see all these guys with their, McLarens or their Aventadors or their Bentleys or their Rolls Royce driving around flashing cash, and people just assume all that comes easy. No, it doesn't come easy. You have to put in the work. Okay, and the easiest way to start a business today is to be an affiliate. Okay, is to start affiliate marketing. Now, if you have resources and you have the capital, then you can go into other things like selling on Amazon. You could do Amazon FBA, etc. But this video today is just to let people know. It's just a follow-up video on the video I made back in November on the Partner with Anthony program. And believe me, I'm not saying it is the greatest thing since sliced bread, okay? But what I'm saying is the Partner with Anthony program is the easiest program to get started with, okay? It's the easiest program for you to master. He's got different levels of courses that you can, he trains you personally, okay, on step by step how to set up your business, okay, from level 0 to level 30. Okay, so there are up to 30 different videos where he actually goes through and explains and walks you through how to set up your business correctly. So it's just like building a house. Okay, if you embark on building a house, you need to make sure that you start with the foundation. The problem with most people is they just want to go out there and start making millions of dollars. Okay, it doesn't work like that. You need to set up a foundation, and that's what the Partner with Anthony program does for you. It shows you how to build a solid foundation for your online business, and then you can branch off and do other things. You can apply it to other aspects of your online world, okay? Whether it's publishing a book, or selling on Amazon, or selling on eBay, or doing whatever other programs that you want to do. I think the Partner with Anthony program will give you the basics, okay? Will give you a solid foundation on what you need to do to be able to achieve your goals. So if you're still sitting on the fence about the Partner with Anthony program, all I can say is it's done wonders for me. Okay, I'm not saying that I've made millions of dollars, but I have actually gotten back more than I invested into the program. Okay, in terms of the sales that I've received, in terms of the knowledge that I got from the Partner with Anthony program. I mean, it's invaluable. And then the community of people who are also in the program that help each other out. We all help each other out. If you're having issues in any area of your online world, you can go into our forum and you can ask questions and get responses right away. Okay, so what I'm saying is, these are uncertain times. We're dealing with a health crisis and a financial crisis right now. And if you're not doing something to better yourself, okay, or to increase your sources of income, then you're doing a disservice to yourself. So my advice to you is, sorry, I'm just turning around here, is to make sure that you're doing something that will benefit you. You're doing something that will help you generate multiple sources of income, okay? Because right now there are so many families and so many people unemployed right now, and months ago, if they had seen this video I made on the Partner with Anthony program or how to start your online business, most people will probably shrug it off. But now people are desperate. They need, income, and all they're relying on now is on the government to assist them. That's a failed strategy when you have to rely on the government to bail us out. That shows that our whole economic system is flawed. So my advice to you is, if you're still on the fence about starting an online business, why don't you click on the link below, okay, and check out the Partner with Anthony program. What do you have to lose? You have nothing to lose, okay? I'm not saying that you're going to become a millionaire tomorrow, and I'm not claiming that I am a millionaire, okay? I still have my full-time job. I work in the banking system, okay? But I do realize that having a paycheck is not going to get me to where I want to get to. It's not going to get me the things that I want in life, okay? Don't get me wrong, I am happy with what I do. I help a lot of people with their finances. I help a lot of people, trying to create wealth for themselves. But I do understand that having a job, it's not going to get me to my goals. So that's why I am back on going online and researching different programs and different opportunities. And that's when I came across the Partner with Anthony program. And let me tell you, Anthony Morrison is a straight up guy, okay? I know there are people out there that think, he's a scam, he's all that. No, this guy is down to earth, okay? He's very transparent, and you can see everything. So there's nothing to hide, okay? There are many programs out there that you can jump on. All I'm saying is pick one and get started. Just like I picked Partner with Anthony program, and I'm all in on that. But I'm also doing other things on the side. But the Partner with Anthony program actually gave me a base, gave me the foundation that I'm building on other platforms now, okay? Trying to generate multiple sources of income, because you need multiple streams of income if you're gonna survive, in the future, okay? So don't rely on one source of income. Don't get lazy, don't get complacent, okay? You always want to improve yourself. So not to make this video long, this is just a follow-up from my previous video, which I gave an honest review of the Partner with Anthony program. So if you're interested in, checking it out or starting with this program, I have a link below. Just click on the link and check it out, and leave some feedback and let me know, okay, what you think about this. So I hope everyone's staying safe, and like I said, don't forget your mask, okay? We all have to stay safe. I have a whole bunch of different masks here, depending on where I'm going, different sizes, different types. So make sure you stay healthy, make sure you stay safe, be true to yourself, and click on the link below and join us. All right, have a great day. Bye bye.